Today we'll be learning about how to put header only on first page in Microsoft Word. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. But before that, support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you will have to open the Microsoft Word. Suppose if you have many pages on Microsoft Word, then how can you put header only on first page in Microsoft Word? So for that, you will have to click on this insert tab at the top of the screen, and right hand side you can find out the header option. Click on header and different option has appeared here. You can simply click on any one as of your requirement, and here you can type anything. But in order to put header only on first page in Microsoft Word, you can see at the top different first page. So you need to check mark it if you haven't, and after that if you type here anything, suppose it will only be there on the first page but not in the subsequent pages if you have any other subsequent pages. So in this way you can easily put header only on first page in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.